How many of you think that knowledge or the education stops when you pass out from your class, from your school, or from your college? And lots of people think about this. They think that your education stops whenever you clears your examinations from your school, colleges, or universities. But don't be fooled by this. Your real education is not that you learn in the school or in the college. Don't be fooled about this sentence. As Elon Musk said, don't be compare your knowledge with an education. Even an engineer or an, a higher education person be an idiot. Yes. Some people don't go to school and have a lot of fortune in their names because they have used their knowledge and intelligence to build the empire, to create history. But on the other hand, some of the people who have lot of degrees in them, degrees with them, they have lot of study to have, they have professionalism, PhDs and everything in their education, still are poor. So you have to gain this financial education from this real world. The education that helps you to build your life to the extent that you do not want, you don't have to think twice to buy anything, and that is the real education. Education is not that you go to college, learn something, and have an marks to get out of it. No, that is not. That can help you to gain the knowledge. You don't think that school prepares you for this real world. No, that helps you to create knowledge for about yourself. That how you can increase your knowledge. That is why we go to school. School knowledge is very limited. They don't teach how to create your business, how to handle the money, how to handle the relationships. No, they are not for this world. If you want to create history, do something in your life, then you have to gain knowledge, learn from the books, the great authors, the great scientists who have done so much research in their life and put all those things in the books. You have to gain your knowledge, be more intelligent through those books and study the biographies, autobiographies of those people and see how they have been successful. Learn, see, read their life, how they have done what they have done in their life. Don't be fooled. Don't be fooled just that you have done some college and you are ready for your life. If you are doing this, then I'm sorry. Then I'm sorry. You're wrong. If you want to the real education, then you have to be in the market, in the real world. You will face the challenges when you start your job, you start your business, you start your family, you buy a house, you buy a car. You see, a lot of things can happen, but a school or college never show you how you can accumulate this type of knowledge. You have to learn yourself, do the things yourself, become the person you want to by yourself. Many people think that if they gain degree and another degree, do higher studies, they become more intelligent. Maybe some people do, but most of the people are mediocre because their mentality is not as compared to those billionaires. They are not thinking as from the point of view where billionaires are thinking. On the other hand, the person who is drop out from school or something, he has a business mind. He thinks like a business. He never get a chance to work for anyone, any person, because he's not have any degree. So he started his own business and do more practical, do life challenges and think what he has done. He has learned more than you, what you have learned in your college and universities and schools. He is in this real world with the real life, with the real challenges, and this is how you have to deal with your life when you come out of your school and colleges. A lot of people, many people are doing engineering. They want to become professors, PhDs, scientists, but are there any jobs for those people? You're dependent on the other people to do the things that you want to do in your life. Go get up. Don't be dependent. Become an independent person. Gain some knowledge. In today's world, it is very easy. You have YouTube. Fantastic creation of this world. A lot of knowledge. If you don't want to spend money, a lot of knowledge is out there on YouTube. Think. You have to only use your brain. That's it. And if you can spend money, go out, hire some mentor. Learn from him how he has done what he had done and what he wants to do in your life. And don't listen to people. Don't listen to people, because people may blast you with number of reasons that not to do the things that you want to do in your life. You want to be a singer, you want to be a writer, you want to be a boxer, athlete, film, anything you want to do, you can do it. But you have to gain knowledge about that. Being an intelligent person, you have to do the things that you want to do in your life, but first start from something. This is the process of life. Knowledge gaining. Gain knowledge from something, but you have to use for the real life, the life that you are living, the life you want to create for yourself. And remember, don't be fooled that your school and college knowledge will make you some happy person or make a billionaire in this life. And if you are married, teach your children that how you can create a business around this world. So friends, hope you like this video and gain some knowledge out of it. Please share this video with your family and friends, and do subscribe to my channel as well. I will meet you tomorrow once again with a new topic, a new challenge. Until then, goodbye.